If you are experiencing login errors on your PlayStation, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back into your account. Step 1. Check PlayStation Network status. Visit the official PlayStation Network status page to see if there are any outages or maintenance activities. If the service is down, you will need to wait until it is restored. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your PlayStation is connected to the internet. You can do this by testing the connection in the settings menu. If there are issues, try restarting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 3. Reset your password. If you suspect that your login credentials may be incorrect, go to the PlayStation login page and select the option to reset your password. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to create a new password. Step 4. Update system software. Make sure your PlayStation system software is up to date. Go to the settings menu, select System Software Update, and install any available updates. An outdated system can cause login issues. Step 5. Contact PlayStation support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps based on your account and situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on your PlayStation. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.